This is an abbreviated breakdown on the difference between a freelance content creator and an in-house content creator. On the in-house side, if you're deciding on being an in-house creator, you may be the creator, or you may be the one managing all the internal and external teams, including other creators, right? So here's an ad for an in-house social media manager for the Cincinnati Reds. This job listing was on EntertainmentCareers.Net. I looked for content, and that's what pulled up. This is a job where they're looking for an expert at creating entertaining content that supports community growth. So again, there is a business goal to these jobs. And so if you're in Cincinnati, maybe this might be a job for you. Now, considering all of these different types of roles, we go about freelance for yourself or for brands, or in-house for a particular company, I want you to really think about working on pulling out your work experience and your skills, taking those skills and applying to these types of jobs. It's not going to be content creator. Sometimes that title's not even there on company listings. It could be completely different.